Places to visit in Siliguri. Welcome to the gateway to northeast India. Nestled amidst the foothills of the majestic Himalayas, Siliguri is a city steeped in history and natural splendor. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, take a fairytale journey into a magical world with spectacular views. It wins its way through the picturesque Himalayan foothills, transporting you at a leisurely pace, breathing in the crisp mountain air from the towering Himalayan peaks. Salugara Monastery. Discover the legacy of the Dalai Lama. The monastery is home to a majestic 100-feet stupa, a giant prayer wheel, and 5 kinds of Buddhist relics. With its stunning architecture, peaceful surroundings, and well-organized festivals, ISKCON Temple. Embrace spiritual rejuvenation at this sanctuary of peace and devotion. With its stunning architecture and beautiful shrines dedicated to Lord Krishna and Radharani, the ISKCON Temple exudes an aura of peace and serenity that draws devotees seeking spiritual refuge and learning from far and wide. The Coronation Bridge, which marked the coronation of King George V, affords the most amazing walks with a vantage view of lush forests, verdant hills, waterfalls, flowing rivers and streams, a glowing sunrise, and a beautiful sunset. It is also a monument to progress and perseverance, a remarkable engineering feat and a vital link between Siliguri and the Darjeeling Hills. The Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the arms of 2 surrounding rivers and serves as the backdrop for an astounding event where around 150 elephants migrate between West Bengal, Nepal, and Assam. The sanctuary exudes an aura of untouched beauty and provides a haven to not just the elusive Royal Bengal tigers and over 300 species of avian fauna. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.